Hi guys, welcome back to another video with me. I look super rough. Okay, this side. I look super rough. I know I have no makeup on. And one of the reasons is because I broke out. And not like super bad acne, but just like the small little bumps. I don't really know what they're called, but it's just a bunch of small bumps. And I'm actually gonna go to Ulta later and buy something. I asked on Instagram, you know, for recommendations, and a lot of you guys did send them to me, and I'm super grateful because I was freaking out. I thought at first that it was like an allergy, but I don't think it is. I think it's just, I honestly don't know. So I'm like letting my face breathe. They've been on me for like 3 days already. But yeah, I'm driving right now. I'm gonna go to the ATM, take out some cash, and then we're gonna go wash the car real quick. We're going to the beach, so yeah, I'll see you guys soon. Hey guys, welcome back once again. We're done with our errands, and right now we picked up some Siempre Natural. We're about to take off to the beach.
Sigo siendo yo. Te va a perder si te dejas sola. Es que conmigo tú estabas todo. Mírame, a mí te cae.
They benefit you. So this is where we're staying at. I did that. Ooh. This is our little room. And our little closet.
PUBG? Make him playing?
Let me show the balcony real quick. Yeah, it's our place for the 2 days. Hi guys, good morning. We just woke up. It's where's my phone? It's 11:32, and I think the other people were already awake, but what are we doing today? I think we're gonna go eat and we're gonna go jet skiing. I'm gonna put on a little bit of makeup right now because I'm looking rough. But yeah, I didn't record anything else because I was just like enjoying the moment and just like enjoying time with people. And but yeah, I will record me doing my makeup, and hopefully we get good footage on our GoPro. But yeah, peace. So I usually apply my foundation with this, but since I'm in a hurry, I'm gonna use my MAC 170 brush. Gotta blend all over your neck, because if not, you look like you're 2 shades. So as you can see, my second face is already coming out. So since I'm not gonna go for a super dramatic look, I'm just going to like I'm not gonna put concealer or contour super hard. So I asked on Instagram if you guys knew of any recommendations for like small bumps, because like one day I just woke up and I was like full of like little not full-blown pimples, and I kind of thought it was like an allergy, but it's not. And I also have a pimple over here, and I just didn't have the chance to go and get it before coming to the beach. So I'm like, oh, my face. But they're clearing up. I'm still gonna go and buy the things. Like one of them was like the Mario Badescu dry lotion. Somebody else said vapor rub or something like that. But yeah, I'll try anything, honestly. Okay, and for my bronzer, I'm gonna use this medium tan mineralized skin finish from MAC in shade BC7.
It's super like subtle and natural.
And then my blush Milani in Luminoso. What? I thought about putting eyelashes, but I am at the beach, so I don't know if that's a good idea. I'm using my MAC eye color, and I use this one, Mega Volume by Wet n Wild. I just found it at the store and picked it up. Like I didn't even like read it. I just made sure that it said black. And I'm done. I'm just gonna do my hair real quick because ew. We're at Dirty House. What is up? An update. We are outside of the jet ski place. Edgar is actually getting everything ready, I guess. Let me see if he comes out. He's right there. But yeah, it's a super cute place. I love it. And they have live music over there. I hope I get some good footage on the GoPro. The tides are a bit rough right now. We were told that they were kind of bad, but I hope that nothing happens to us. I think later we'll be going to like a beach bar or something like that. There's a boat right there. I think we'll be riding for about an hour, which is a little too much for me, but you know, I'm down for anything as long as we're not like homeboard, you know.
It's just a warning, me letting you know that anything you say will hurt you in the court of law.
I don't think that's how it goes, but okay. Here I am signing my life away. Which one?
I'm gonna do half an hour. Una hora, ¿verdad?
Yeah, an hour's fine.
She's a little sick right now, and you know what? She's a trooper.
So I am now recording with the GoPro.
Right. Right?
Yeah, look at those guys dancing up there on the deck. Don't stop. Go, guys. How about our drummer there? Jose Guerrero. Let's give it up for Jose. Look at this guy. I gotta do a little sublime for you. You better know what I got.
Y si nos damos en la madre. Está bien feo el mar, Melissa. ¿Qué feo?
It's inside my pants.
Get it.
Oh no, I'm thinking, oh fuck.
Okay, I got it. Let me get it. Ahí está. ¿Qué feo? Are you serious now? I can't find it, dude. I'm trying to find it. I do have mine.
I'm back. So, plot twist. We fell from the jet ski. I lost my phone, and yeah, that was very scary. I never want to get on a jet ski again, ever. Bye. So we're already in the condo, and it's a very sad day for all those. Put it in rice. This is Edgar's phone in rice.
We're going to Luis, and if I get a little bit drunk enough, I will get on that. I have to get a little bit drunk enough.
We're going crazy without our cell phones, right?
Yeah, we both of our cell phones messed up.
I'm so upset. I'm so sad.
avocado bacon burger, the meal.
Two. Sprite.
A Sprite. Give me 2 of those, the same.
Sprite, yeah.
With Sprite?
Yeah, with Sprite.
Anything else for your order?
Pues, ¿qué quieres, güey?
Hey, what do you want?
Ya agarramos los otros.
Yo quiero esa avocado burger.
Okay, make that 3 avocado bacon burger.
With the Sprite?
With the Sprite, too. Hey, Kevin, ¿no quiere nada usted, güey?
No, gracias, cabrón.
Yeah, that would...
First window, thank you.
Thank
Hey,
you.
what do you want, babe?
¡Ya pedimos!
¿Cuántas personas tienen ahí?
Somos 1, 2, 3. Somos 6.
Bueno, y hago para arriba yo también, güey.
Somos 6. 3 adentro y 3 en la cajuela.
¿Qué? ¿Bueno, se puede o qué?
Sí, aquí nos lleva. Es que ya no que fuimos adentro. Y aquí nos lleva.
Let's go find your phone.
What's up, guys? We got home yesterday from the beach and we're on our way to San Antonio to fix Edgar's phone at the Apple store.
Shout out Apple Care Plus.
Never forget to insure your cell phones. And mine was luckily insured. We had no idea that it was, but we went to Verizon yesterday and we were able to work something out, so I'll be getting a phone by tomorrow. But for now we're phoneless and he's using his mom's phone. But yeah, it sucks. What happened yesterday was, no, it was the day before yesterday. What happened the day before yesterday was very scary to me. Was it scary?
Yeah, well, kind of, but the key is not to panic. Do not panic in any situation. $200.
Moral of the story is insure your cell phones and do not take them. Jet skiing, do not take them to the beach, do not take them to the water because they are water resistant, but they're not
Waterproof. Is that the right word?
Yes.
Did I get it right?
Yeah, waterproof.
Fuck yeah.
Yeah, so heading to San Antonio to the Apple store. See you there. So we have like a 40-minute wait and we came to eat.
Se echa chingazos con Panda.
Really? We'll see. New phone. Who's this?
This is my third iPhone X Max.
Oh yeah, it's his third iPhone XS Max. The first one, he dropped it and it hit a rock and it just didn't work anymore. The second one, water damage, and this is the third. Now I'm just waiting for mine tomorrow. Okay guys, so this is it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it and I hope you learned a lesson. Don't take your phones jet skiing and always insure your cell phones. We're gonna be here in downtown San Antonio for the afternoon and then head back home. And hopefully I'll be getting my cell phone tomorrow. Bye. It's a wrap. It's a wrap.